So, my dear student, exercise 2.5 of chapter number 2 polynomial. It's the question 4 we are seeing. The question is expand each of the following using suitable identities, right? Now, suitable identities we have to apply. Now, the first question, as I have written here on your screen, you can see x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Fine. This is the question. Now, as we have already studied, when we are given here binomial, means only two terms are given and we need to have the square of it, means squaring of binomial. Then which identity we have to apply? That at that time we used to apply first and second identity, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square wala identity. But as on your screen now you can see here, instead of two terms, here we are having three terms. First term, second term, third term, and the square of the three terms, as we know that the three terms are called trinomial. So simply I should say here we need to apply the identity squaring of trinomial. What we call this? Squaring of trinomial. Now, what is the squaring of trinomial? For that, which identity we have to use? Simply, I should say, as you are learning this identity first time, so I am going to mention it here, but again and again we will not apply. So first time as you are learning, so the identity is x plus z whole square, x plus y plus z whole square, that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy, 2 into yz plus 2 into zx. This is real identity that we call squaring of trinomial. Fine. Now this identity we are going to apply. As we consider this our x first term, this our second term, and this our third term. Fine. So according to that, let's note down square of first term, square of second term, and of course square of third term, plus 2 into first and second, 2 into second and third term, and 2 into third and first term. Simple, very easy. Once again I am explaining to you. First term square, second term square, third term square. Then 2 into first and second term, 2 into second and third term, and 2 into third and first term. Okay, fine. Now, you know that what is first term? Of course, it is x. What is second term? That is 2y. What is third term? That is 4z. Once again, first term is x here, second term 2y, third term 4z. Plus 2 into first and second. First is x, second is 2y. Clear to you? First is x, second is 2y. Similarly, 2 into second term and third term. Third term is 4z. And of course, plus 2 into 4z, third term, and the first term. You can see I have applied according to the required first term square, second term square, third term square. Then 2 into first and second term. First and second, 2 into second and third term. Yes, it is there. 2 into third and first term. Very simple. Now let's simplify and let's note down the answer. Now the square of x, we know x square. Of course, we know 2 square is 4, and along with the variable square, that is y square, plus 4 square is 4 4 just 16 z square. Clear to you? 4 4 just 16 z square, plus next step will be, let's multiply this with this and this with this, because they all three terms are connected with product. So dear student, 2 2s are here, 4xy, plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16yz. Fine. Plus 2 4s are 8, 8zx. Fine. So dear student, the answer is in 6 terms. You can see The answer of this type of squaring of trinomial is generally coming in 3 terms. Okay, so far there isn't any term in a like terms. Okay, no, nothing is in like terms. All terms are separate. So this is our complete solution of first part of question 4. So dear student, now second part. The question is 2x minus y plus z whole square. Fine. Again you can see here we are having 3 terms. Which 3 terms I am talking about? 2x minus y and z. It's a squaring of trinomial. The same procedure as we did in the first. But here I am not going to write the identity. But directly we are going to solve first term square, square of second term and square of third term, plus 2 into first term and second term, 2 into second and third term, and 2 into first and third term. Clear to you? This is very important. Once again I am explaining square of first term, second term and third term. And here 2 into first and second term, 2 into second and third, 2 into third and first term. Now be careful about putting the terms, okay? If we are having here, suppose here first term, which is the first term? 2x. What is the second term? So you can see along with the sign we need to mention. Please be careful if we are given any of the term in negative, write down along with the sign, like negative sign. Here positive, so let it be as it is, right? So dear student, now first term we know that is 2x. So here first term into second term into third term, and here third term and first term. Here very simple. Let's work out now on the next step. Fine. Just look at your screen. We know 2 square, it will be 4x square. Now always remember dear student, the square of negative number will be also positive. Square of any negative number will be also positive, and this is already positive, so here z square will remain same. So one thing is very clear, all the way the first 3 terms, means the square of first term, second term and third term, they can't be negative, because all the way we are using it's a square, we are writing it's a square, so first 3 terms can't be negative. That is simple conclusion. Now let's work out for this term. Okay, for this term as usual I am putting plus sign. Now multiply 2 2 of course 4. What about x into y? That is xy. But because of the sign of one sign is negative, I need to mention here minus 4xy. So please dear student, be careful. I am writing it with my red marker, so it will be convenient for you to understand minus 4xy. Same thing is here plus. Now you just see I am putting it in bracket. 2 is already there and yz. 2 into y into z. This we have already done. Now 2 into y into z is 2yz. Agree? But because of this minus sign along with that, I need to write here 1 minus. Fine. Now the last 3 terms all the way they are positive. No negative sign is there. So simply 2 2 4 x and z. X and z you can write xz, if not zx also same thing. There isn't any matter of the product, because product is always commutative. So either you are writing 4zx or 4xz, that is not a, there isn't any problem with that. Now next step, let's simplify. Okay, so as usual the first 3 terms already in simplification. 4x square plus y square plus z square I am writing as it is. Now here plus minus 4xy plus minus 4xy minus 2yz, and here plus 4xz. Fine. I hope this much is clear to you. This is the complete solution of second part. So my dear student, here third part of the question 4 is in front of you. Let me read the question. The question is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Again, you can see here we are having three terms. First term minus 2x, second term 3y, and of course the third term is 2z. So we are going to do the squaring of trinomial. Let's apply the identity. As we know that square of first term plus square of second term plus square of third term plus 2 into first term into second term, 2 into second and third, and of course 2 into third term and first term. That is very simple. Keep the bracket empty and now think about the first term. Which is the first term? It is minus 2x. So please note down along with the sign. Second term is positive, so I am writing 3y here. Third term is 2z, so I am mentioning it here 2z. Now as we know that plus 2 into first and second. First term is minus 2x, second term is 3y. Here second and third. Second is 3y, third term is 2z. Simple. यहाँ third term and first term. Third term is 2z, first term is minus 2x. Simple. That is complete. Now we'll work out on the solution. So dear student, we know the square of any negative number will be also positive. Square of positive number is also positive. Square of any negative number will be also positive. So minus 2 square we know it will become plus 4. And along with the variable square, that is 4x square. So it is positive. First term is here it is negative given. But because of the squaring of the number, it is become positive. Next step, 3y whole square. 3 square is 9. So here 9y square. Plus 2 square is 2 to the 4 z square. Fine. So this first three term, they all are positive. Reason behind that, though here it is negative, but as we are writing the square of all three terms, so square of any negative term will be also positive. Now let's work out on this very important point. As you can see here I am writing plus, but because of while multiplying one of the term is negative, one term is negative, so the answer will be negative. Clear? So dear student, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12xy. Clear? Plus both the term positive, so don't worry. 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja, here also 12yz. Fine. Now here, out of these three, this term is negative, means one of the term is negative. So let me write it in bracket. So dear student, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, z into x, either you can write xz or zx, no matter for that. So let's write the final answer is 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 12xy. Here it is minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8xz. Clear to you? These are the things: minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8xz. Fine. So this is the simplification of third part. So my dear student, on your screen you can see the fourth question, and it's the fourth part. We are given 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. Of course it is a trinomial, so squaring of the trinomial identity we need to apply. Now what is the first term? 3a. What is second term? Minus 7b along with the sign. What is the third term? That is minus c. So my dear student, here first term square, square of second term and square of third term, plus 2 into first term and second term, plus 2 into second and third, and 2 into third and first term. See, Whatever I am saying from my mouth, the same thing I am mentioning with the empty bracket. Okay. Now, first term is 3a. Second term minus 7b along with the sign. Third term minus c. Second term minus 7b. Third term minus c. Here minus c. Third term. And here we need to mention, wait. Here minus 3a. Here I am correcting. First and second I need to write. First is 3a. This is minus 7b. Second minus 7b and third minus c and third here minus c and first term 3a. First, second, second, third, third and first. Quite easy. Now we know the square of 3a whole square, it will be 9a square because 3 3 are 9. And here always plus, we know that the square of negative number is also positive. So square of positive number is also positive, but square of any number is also, any negative number is also positive. So what is the square of minus 7? Of course it will be plus 49b square. Here also square of negative number, it will be positive. So one thing is clear, that first three terms should be, they should be always positive. Now dear student, next step, plus I am writing here. Here it is minus sign, so let me write it minus here. 2 3 are 6, 6 7 are 42. 42 a into b, that is ab, plus now here minus 2 times, while multiplying minus will become plus. Please remember, minus will become plus, and let's multiply 2 7 are 14 along with b into c, that is bc. It is positive, so no need to mention in a bracket, it's okay. Plus, here one of the term is negative, so answer will be negative. So let's multiply 2 3 are 6, c into a is ca. So let's go with the simplification towards the final answer. Answer of the simplification, it will come this way. 9a square plus 49b square plus c square minus here minus 42ab plus 14bc and of course minus 6ca. This we are given. Okay, once again I am here explaining. This is 9a square, 49b square plus c square is as it is. Now question number 5. So as we know that this is first term, second term, third term. So again applying the squaring of trinomial, we know first term square of second term plus square of third term plus 2 into first term second term, 2 into first and second and third, and 2 into third and first. Right? Now let's put the value. As we know that the value of first term minus 2x. So let me write it minus 2x here. This is 5y. But here it is minus 3z. Okay. So here minus 2x first term, 5y second term, second and third term, and of course third term and into second term. Fine. Be careful, first term, third term and first term. So after putting this value, it's very important to simplify. Let's focus on the simplification. As we know that square of negative number, it will be positive. So here simple 4x square. What about this 25y square? We know 5 square is 25y square. And here always plus 3 square. Minus 3 square will be plus 3 square. That was plus 3z square. So it is 3 square is 9z square. So here we need to write 9z square. Right? Now out of this 3 term, one of the term is negative. So the answer will be negative. Now let's multiply 2 2 are 4, 4 5 are 20xy. Agree? Plus in bracket, one of the term is negative, so answer will be negative. Fine. 2 5 are 10, 10 3 are 30y into z, yz. Clear? Now, dear student, here minus 2 times product multiplication of two negative number is always positive. So no more negative sign will be there. Let's multiply 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, z into x, that is zx or xz, that is okay. Now the final answer I am writing here, 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus, here it is, minus 20xy minus 30yz and of course plus 12zx. Clear to you? So this is the complete solution. I hope it's clear to you now. Now, question number 4, it's the sixth question is in front of you, dear student. The question is little bit different than the first 5 questions, okay? What is the question? 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Okay, again you can see here first term, second term, third term. So 3 terms are there. So it is trinomial and here it is square of it. So we need to apply squaring of trinomial identity. So simply first, without thinking anything, I am writing first term square, second term square and third term square, that you call x square plus y square plus z square as you wish. Then 2 into first term, second term, 2 into second term, third term and 2 into third term and first term. Simple. Now, what is the first term? Be careful. First term is 1 by 4a. So let me write it here, 1 by 4a. What is second term? Along with the sign minus 1 by 2b. What is third term? That is c. 1. Only 1. Now here I need to write first and second. Product of first. So first term is 1 by 4a and second term is minus 1 by 2b. No problem. Then second term 1 by 2b and of course third term is 1. Here 2 into third term is first 1 and the first term is this 1 by 4a. Nothing I have done, simply I put the value of first term, second term along with the sign and this third term. Then 2 into first and second term, first term and second, 2 into second and third I have written, and 2 into third and first term. Fine. Now let's simplify. The important point is to simplification. How to simplify? Let's work out upon that. Very easy, very simple. Look at your screen. 1 square will be 1 into 1. 4 square, it will be 4 into 4, that is 16, you know. 1 by 4 whole square is 1 by 16, simple. And the variable square, it will be a square. Let it be as it is. Of course, it is plus. Though it is negative number, but the square of negative number will be positive. So I am writing plus here. Same thing is here. 1 square is 1. What about 2 square? That is 4. 2 square is 4 and the square of b is b square. Here. And what about the last term square? The square of 1 is always 1. Fine? Plus. Let's think about this thing. Okay. So as one of the term is negative, so I am writing here it will be negative. Fine? Now think over this thing only. Which numbers are numerical here? Let's note down. 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. As minus already I have written one time. Into a into b is all this variable parts. I am writing it as it is. Next step. Plus. Look at your screen. Again here it is minus. So answer will be minus. Which terms are now there? 2 into numerical portion. 2 into 1 half into 1. Into 1, no issue for that. And b is always there. So it is b. Clear to you? Plus. You can see here, no negative number. 2 into 1 by 4. So I am writing it here for your better understanding on the next slide. 2 into 1 by 4 and the numerical portion is a only here. Okay. You can see here which are numerical portion here. This is AB, here B, and this is A. I'm keeping separate. And let's simplify and see the answer. First three terms remain same. So simply I should write 1 upon 16 a square can be written as a square upon 16. Same thing I can write here b square upon 4. B square I am writing in numerator. If you want to write same way, then also correct. No issue. Plus 1 is also there. Let it be. Now let's work out upon this, which is quite easy. See here. 2 cancel. Minus 1 minus is there. So answer will be in minus. What is left? 1 by 4 AB. So can I say AB by 4? 1 by 4 AB also you can write. Now same thing, 2 cancel, but because of 1 minus is there, so here it will be minus 1 into B, that is only B. Fine, here it is B. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is left here? In numerator it will be 1, so it will be 1 half, and here A, so it will be A by 2. The simplification of this is coming A by 2. So this is the complete solution. Now once again I am explaining to you. Just look at your screen. As we know, this is our first term. Minus 1 half be second term and 1 is the third term. Now 2 into first and second. 1 by 4 a first term, minus 1 by 2 be second term. Second and third this term, and third and the first term 1 by 4a I have written. Now as we know that the square of 1 by 4 is 1 by 16 a square. Square of minus 1 by 4 will be positive 1 by 4 b square, and of course the square of 1 is always 1. Here now plus inside the bracket, which are numerical portion, you can see 2, 1 half, minus 1 half. These three terms I am mentioning here. And a and to b, this is variable I am writing here in product. Now the simplification of this, 2 cancel, so 1 by 4 will be left, 4 will be in denominator, and in numerator AB only, so I should say AB by 4 for that. Because first three terms it remains same as it is, I am not touching it, but the simplification of this is coming this, fine. Same thing is here, 2 into minus 1 half into 1 and this variable portion B. 2 cancel, but because of this 1 minus is there and B is there, I need to write only minus B. This term is left here. Clear to you? And the last portion 2 into 1 by 4a. 2 cancel. So 2 will be left here. 2 2s are 4 we know. So 2 will be left. So I need to write 1 half a. 1 half a can be written as a by 2. So this is the complete solution. If you want to write this way, 1 upon 16 a square, 1 upon 4 b square, 1 minus 1 by 4 ab minus b plus 1 half a, then also it's correct to write. Okay. If not, then simple you can write this much is also absolutely clear to you.